So friends, in this video basically two doubts I am going to clear that first of all कि your PDA counseling को परचेज कैसे करना है, एंड सेकेंडली रिगार्डिंग द COAP. सो योर पीडिया काउंसलिंग को अगर आप परचेज करना चाहते हैं तो सिंपली आपने करना क्या है यहाँ पे दैट पोस्ट गेट काउंसलिंग योर पीडिया डॉट इन वेबसाइट के ऊपर यू हैव टू विजिट एंड देन क्लिक ऑन पोस्ट गेट काउंसलिंग because many of the students have filled, we can say thousands of students fill the Google form, but it is not practically possible to call each and every student. If we call then it may take very much time. Okay, so basically आपके लिए अच्छा ये है कि आप खुद ही basically visit the yourpedia.in and then go to the details of all this module, and this there is video also detail regarding the postgrad counseling. So here you can see the content that we are providing. So basically there are three package number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so you can go to the details and enroll for the postgrad counseling, and for any query you can also contact at this number. So now let's friends discuss about the COAP 2021 education. So friends, many of the students who have appeared for GATE 2021 having a query regarding the registration of COAP, and also some common doubts that what is COP and what is the process to enroll for COP. Okay, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा डिस्कशन करते हैं आज. दैट COAP क्या है? आपका एक बेसिकली पोर्टल है जहाँ से आपको एमटेक में एडमिशन मिलता है IITs में, और कुछ PSU भी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. अब करना क्या है आपको, दैट स्पेसिफिकली आपको अलग से IIT में तो फॉर्म फिल करना है. मैं आपको एग्जांपल दूं, सपोज इफ़ आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ IIT दिल्ली. सपोज आई वांट टू go for IIT Delhi mechanical department or civil department, then I have to apply for that department on IIT website, but I also have to register for COAP. Okay, so whatever the result, whether you are selected or not selected in IIT Delhi, will not shown on IIT Delhi website, but it will be shown on COAP 2021 portal. Okay, so this is the major role of COAP, I can say. Now all the IITs are not participating in COAP, we can say 2021. The list of IITs or institutes who are participating in this, basically you can see here: IIC Bangalore, IIT Bhilai, IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT BHU, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Goa, Guwahati, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Indore, IIT ISM Dhanbad, IIT Jammu, IIT Palakkad, IIT Mandi, Madras, Kharagpur, Kanpur, Jodhpur, Patna, Roorkee, Ropar and Tirupati. Okay, so these are the IITs who are participating, and if there is any update in this list, I will update you on your PDA this YouTube channel only. Okay, now next question is that when the registration will start. So as of now there is no link, or we can say no active link for registration to COAP. So whensoever the link is active, I will update you on the YouTube. So for that you have to basically subscribe your PDA education channel, so that important update regarding this COAP will not be missed by you. Okay, so here you can see registration in COAP portal for admission into MTech program will start in 3rd and 4th week of March. Soon after GATE 2021 results will be announced. Okay, and COAP के related और आपके common doubts जो भी हैं उसके regarding आप comment section में mention करो, उसको भी हम लोग discussion कर लेंगे. So thank you very much friends, and keep preparing and learning with your PDA education.